All right, so we're doing the, by the way, this is Bubba's Drive Thru Food review. We've taken a few weeks off. We did some Indian food with Blitz and Anna Blummel. And it's always sponsored by Philip JPK123ABC. Now, hold on. Does this mean the drive-thru is closed? Hummel. Does this mean the drive-thru is closed? What? Man, the things we get involved in, does that not look like it's closed to me? You? Me? Us?
Do you want me to check?
No. I mean, I think that's pretty obvious. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have to find a new place. All right, so we decided to go to Popeyes because they have a new fish sandwich. So we're going to try that after our KFC drive-thru experience. Again, sponsored by Philip JPK1231238BC, Knight, Hummel. I don't know if it's F350. Yeah, there we go. Fries.
Welcome to Popeye. Go ahead with your order.
Yes, ma'am. May I get the flounder fish sandwich combo with a Coke and the sandwich plain?
Okay, so I have a flounder sandwich plain.
The combo, yeah.
A combo, and you wanted a Coke. What's the side item for it?
The fries.
Fries.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else for you?
Yeah, ma'am. May I please get a large red beans and rice?
Anything else for you?
No, I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, so I have a flounder sandwich combo plain with fries and a Coke, then a large red beans and rice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 4, please.
Thank you. Okay, so far everything's so good. She sounded pretty cool to me. Oh, if I remember, we've always had to pull off on this little side deal here before. And I got the red beans and rice to take home because that's my favorite. Popeye's red beans and rice might be my favorite thing in the whole wide world. One of my favorite foods in the whole wide world.
And what's your side item for it?
Hi, Marissa.
Hello.
I do a food review on my YouTube channel. I come here a lot.
1772.
And here's my bumper sticker. If you scan that code, you'll
get on your YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna scan it too.
Make sure you do now. It'll be up today by 5 o'clock, my food review.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out.
It's the Bubba Army.
The Bubba Army?
And I'm gonna talk real good about Marissa.
Okay, thank you.
Because she's cool like that. I might even put my red beans and rice on top of my fish sandwich. And because I got... Did it go through?
Yes, it did.
Thank you, Marissa.
You need any hot sauce or anything? Oh, no, you got a big one.
Yeah, I got it plain. Maybe some cocktail sauce.
Okay.
That'd be cool.
Right.
I'm gonna put red beans and rice on my sandwich too.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to check it out then.
Yeah.
You gonna eat the sandwich on the channel?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat it right here. I'm gonna eat it right here in the parking lot.
On the channel? Okay.
and it gets uploaded at 5 o'clock.
Okay, well then I'm gonna take this with me and scan this.
Yeah,
See
and
this big food.
you'll be able to see yourself. I got 70,000 followers on my YouTube, and I'll make you a star, Marissa.
I'm definitely gonna check it out too.
I hope so. Thank you.
And you said you want a cocktail, and what was the other one?
Cocktail is all I need.
Okay, give me the
What's that?
one of the bed with the large side in. I thought they gave you the wrong side.
No, that's red bean rice.
Mash.
And
mash.
beans.
Well, don't cheat me on my red beans now.
Okay, there go the beans.
Alrighty, we're good. Thank you, Marissa. Bye now.
See you later.
You too. Popeye's new fish flounder deal now. Mummy said it was pretty good. Look at Bella. She's just been kind of not. She used to really be kind of crazy on food reviews, and now hers is just kind of like. Now I'm gonna Bubba-tize it, okay? Is that a large? That looks kind of like a small to me. I thought the larges were bigger. Okay, sandwich. I gotta try commercial fry. Then I got a Lady and Tramp it. Come here, girl. So gentle. Hers is. Okay. So we got a lot to unpack here. Merchant Creek brought me my utensils and everything. Again, this is sponsored by Anna Hummel's father, Philip. Plain, just like I like it. Now I gotta get that cocktail sauce. Yeah, I got it. Nice. I gotta tell you, nice butter, like a butter toasted, nice piece of fish. That's a good piece of fish right there. That is a good piece of fish right there. Now, listen, it's my food review. I'm gonna make it the way I make it. A little cocktail sauce on there. Oh yeah, let's see if she likes cocktail sauce. I don't know if she cares for that. Now, this is where the customization, even after I told Marissa I'm gonna put red beans and rice on top of my sandwich. That's what you call Indiana white Trez. And what you gotta do with your red beans and rice is you gotta get the mix going. I'll tell you one thing, honest to God to the whole wide world, like I know that I'm straight white trash, but I would almost pick Popeye's red beans and rice over like Ocean Prime or some real, or even Longhorn. This is like, Popeye's red beans and rice is kind of like my crack. Now look at that. And you gotta take a bite of it. Then you gotta give your vig to the girl. Yeah, and you eat after her. Now, not just one bite, half the sandwich, because I'm a fat ass. So this is the new Popeye's fish flounder fish combo. And really nice piece of fish. Now, I got it plain. It comes with like all kinds of stuff. But I customized it. I put my own cocktail sauce on it and red beans and rice. This is how I would, it's my food review. I'm eating it. I don't give a fuck what you want about it. Now look at that. Look at that. Hot. Hot. But that's not their fault. But good piece of fish. Good fish. Not too fishy, but fishy enough to know that it's fish. Strong. So far, guys. So far, we're strong. And that cocktail sauce gives it a little kick. So, if you go get this at your local Popeyes, I would suggest you getting it just like this. Red beans and rice with cocktail sauce. Oh, that's good as hell. That is good as absolute hell. Look at that white flaky fish. Look at that. That is a nice piece of fish. And again, like sometimes McDonald's fish doesn't taste fishy, but you don't want it too fishy, but you want to know you're eating fish. It's kind of like a girl's vagina. You want a little, no, you don't want fish, but you want a little texture, but not fish. But in fish, you want a little fish, not a lot of fish. This is up there. This is a high 8, maybe a 9. Gotta get it all. Burnt my mouth a little bit. The first bite. Bella. The Popeyes flounder fish pops. The Popeyes flounder fish customized with red beans and rice and some Cajun sauce. Strong. I mean strong. I'm going 9-1. 9 fucking 1. Cuzzos.